Okay, hello everyone. Now today in this session we are going to do a few numericals based on the average speed. This is the first numerical. The question I have not written. Question I will send you up. Don't worry about the question. Let me tell you the question first. In this question what he is saying you, a body is going from A to B. A से B तक जा रही है. Total distance the body cover is x. A से B तक जाने में जो total distance cover हुआ है it is x. So I am writing it here. Total distance जो cover हुआ है it is how much? It is equals to x है. And he is saying you that half of this distance means के half of the distance means x by 2, half of distance जो है means x by 2. velocity कितनी रही बॉडी की? velocity will be how much? v0. This is the velocity of the body for traveling the half of the distance. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? बाकी जो हाफ डिस्टेंस है मीन्स कि जो x by 2 डिस्टेंस है, यहां पे फर्स्ट हाफ टाइम के लिए बॉडी की जो वेलोसिटी है इट इज v1 एंड सेकेंड हाफ टाइम के लिए बॉडी की जो वेलोसिटी है इट इज v2. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट? आई एम वंस अगेन सी इट हियर. टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है? टोटल डिस्टेंस इज x. आधा डिस्टेंस मीन्स x by 2, आधा डिस्टेंस मीन्स x by 2. आधा डिस्टेंस कवर body is traveling with a velocity of v0 and say the time is t1 taken by the body to cover the half of the distance. That means x by 2 distance को cover करने के लिए अगर body की velocity v0 हो तो time कितना लग रहा है? Time is how much? Say it is t1. t1 की वैल्यू हम लोग निकाल देंगे. So t1 we can find it out. t1 equals to half the distance means x by 2 upon VO. So we are getting x upon 2 VO. So this is the value of T1 we have find it out. अब सेकंड केस में क्या हो रहा है? अगेन द डिस्टेंस इज हाफ, लेकिन यहां पे क्या हुआ? जितना भी टाइम लगा, टाइम कितना हम लोगों ने लेट किया? टाइम लगा है T2. टाइम T2 लगा है, टोटल टाइम T2 लगा है, लेकिन t by 2 टाइम के लिए बॉडी की वेलोसिटी कितनी है? v1 है. नेक्स्ट t by 2 टाइम के लिए बॉडी की वेलोसिटी कितनी है? इट इज v2. टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है? x by 2 है. सो सी हियर टोटल टाइम t2 है. टोटल टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द एवरेज वेलोसिटी. सो टोटल टाइम फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इज t2. नाउ सी कि टोटल डिस्टेंस इज x by 2. टोटल distance is x by 2. So x by 2 total distance means के half distance. Total distance means distance from C to B. Distance from C to B कितना है? x by 2 है. Now this equals to, अगर इसी को मैं निकालूं, यहां पर बॉडी ने t by 2 टाइम तक बॉडी v1 वेलोसिटी से ट्रेवल करती रही, तो डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रेवल किया? डिस्टेंस विल बी v into t2 by 2. Distance equals to speed into time. So this is what v1 है plus v2. next half distance t2 by 2. v2 velocity से travel कर रही है, तो distance कितना travel किया? The distance travel will be this much. This is the total distance. This is the total distance. This is equals to x by 2. यहां से क्या करते हैं? थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं इसको. x by 2 I am writing it like this. v1 और एक काम करो कि t2 by 2 को कॉमन ले लो. t2 by 2 we have taken common, so we are left with v1 plus v2. Okay, 2 cancel with 2, and from here t2, the value of t2 will be equals to how much? X by v1 plus v2. This is the value of t2. You need total time. So total time will be equals to how much? t1 plus t2 is the total time. So t1, the value of t1 is how much? It is x upon 2 v0, and plus t2 we have find it out x by v1 plus v2. This is the टोटल टाइम इसको सॉल्व भी करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट x we have taken common, so we get 1 upon 2v0 plus 1 upon v1 plus v2, इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया, so we are getting x, so take the LCM, 2vo and v1 plus v2 is your LCM, so here we get v1 plus v2 and plus v1 plus v2 get cancelled, so 2vo. So on solving this, total time is how much? Total time is this much. Now average velocity you need, so the average velocity will be equals to, इसको let me rub it first, okay, because it is not required anymore, इसको rub कर देते हैं. So average velocity calculate करनी है, so average velocity will be AV equals to how much? Total distance is how much? X, and total time is, we have find it out, it is X, and V1 plus V2 plus 2VO whole upon twice of VO and V1 plus V2, so this X get cancelled, so AV equals to 2VO V1 plus V2 whole upon V1 plus V2 plus 2VO. This is your answer. So this type of question you will get now. एक छोटा सा और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. It is a simple question. Let us say a body covers 1/3 of the journey with the speed of u, next 1/3 with the speed of v, and next last 1/3 with the velocity v. So again you are having a body, say from A to B ही जाना है. Divide this into 3 parts. यहां से यहां तक ये C है, this is D. From here to here the velocity is u, from here to here the velocity is how much? Say v. From here to here the velocity is omega. So these are the velocity given to us. ये velocities हैं सब के सब. These are the velocities. Okay. Total distance is how much? Total distance is, say this is s, this is s, this is s, so it will be 3s. So distance equals to 3s. He is asking us to calculate the average velocity. So AV equals to total distance means 3s upon total time. Total time means from here to here, say the time required is t1 लग रहा है, ये t2 है, this is say t3. So t1 plus t2 plus t3 we can say, so 3s whole upon the value of t1 in terms of velocity and s. So we get s upon v, then s upon u plus then s upon omega. So average velocity equals to this s get common, तो 3s हो गया, and s get common, we are v1 upon v plus 1 upon u plus 1 upon omega, we get s get cancelled, so average velocity equals to, we have to take the LCM, so LCM will be, LCM goes up, so it is 3 v u and omega whole upon नीचे कितना आ जाएगा, vu plus u dub omega and plus omega v. So this is your answer. So in this way we are having so many questions like this. Try it from your book also, and few questions I will give it to you. Try to solve them. Okay, if you have any problem, ask. Okay, so for today only this much.